Working with 3D landscape scenes and found an E3 file. This is a scene file from a specialized natural environment rendering tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these E-on Vue 3D scene files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful E3 file inspection tool. E3. Files are 3D scene files, created by E-on Vue, the digital nature and landscape creation software. They contain complete 3D environments with terrain models, atmospheric settings, vegetation ecosystems, water bodies, lighting configurations, camera positions, and material definitions for rendering photorealistic natural landscapes. E-on Vue E3 scene files use a proprietary binary format, storing terrain, height map data, ecosystem distribution maps, atmospheric spectral model parameters, object placement with instancing, water simulation settings, and global illumination configuration. The format references material libraries and object asset collections. If installed, your preferred program for E3 should be the E-on Vue application by E-on Software, a Bentley systems company. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows shows only limited geometry, so deeper analysis requires specialized modeling tools. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your E3 file and select Open with, Test E-on Vue if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If you are still having trouble opening the E3 file, do not worry. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening in Vue. Launch E-on Vue and open the E3 file using File, then Open Scene. The complete 3D environment loads with terrain, vegetation, atmosphere, water, and lighting. Navigate the scene using the viewport controls and select objects for property inspection. Render preview frames using the Render Settings panel. Next, exploring scene elements. In Vue, inspect individual scene elements by selecting objects in the World Browser panel. Review terrain properties, vegetation ecosystem parameters, atmospheric settings, and material assignments. Use the camera controls to frame different viewpoints and preview the scene composition before committing to a final render. Finally, rendering and exporting. Render the scene in Vue using the Render menu with configurable resolution quality and output format settings. Export rendered images to TIFF PNG or EXR format for post-processing. Export 3D geometry to OBJ or FBX format for use in other 3D applications such as Blender or Cinema 4D. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.